Apple VR headset. Here is all you need to know about the upcoming launch. The reported Apple VR headset may have just reached a critical milestone, pushing it closer to a release date. According to a recent story, Apple investors were shown a prototype last week. Speculation about an Apple headgear began several years ago, but news regarding the device became more frequent last year. However, we don't believe Apple would release software for a totally new hardware category first. What we know so far: the Apple VR headset is being developed by a team of roughly 2,000 individuals, according to Bloomberg. Apple's VR headset debut is getting mixed reviews. According to the information, Apple's VR headset launch could be a long way off. The information claims to have spoken with 10 insiders familiar with Apple's headset development, all of whom claim that several obstacles have slowed the project's progress. According to the information, the headset isn't ready for paying consumers yet, but there are other Apple VR headset launch rumors to ponder. Analyst Jeff Pu of Haitong International Securities believes the headset will be unveiled next year, while Bloomberg's Mark Gurman believes it will be unveiled this year and released in 2023. Apple won't release a headset until it meets the company's high standards for functionality and integration. Even if the greatest VR headsets such as the Meta Quest 2 are old news at this time, Apple is probably more concerned with getting it right than getting it in shops. Apple's VR headset will undoubtedly be one of the company's most significant announcements ever. Would you consider buying one? Let us know down the comments section below, and consider subscribing.